Okay, so just starting at our modules here. Just going through, let's start with our introduction. Okay, introduction is nice. Friendly face, love the picture. It's good to let the students know exactly what it is you want to do and what your goal is for them. Great course description. Let's go to the next. Canvas instructions. Okay, I like that. It's letting you know that every Monday a new week or a new module is going to open up, so that's something that can easily be set a reminder for. Okay, looking at different ways to log in. That's good. Not everyone has a computer, but a lot of the kids have like phones and tablets, so this is device friendly, and you let them know that. Course description and objectives. I love the visual picture. I love that economy of language being used, not only for the students to understand, but for their parents as well. Alright, so this is the end of the kind of introduction module, so let's go into week 1. Let's see.
Hi, I'm Rob. Welcome to Math Antics. In this lesson, we're going to learn how our basic number system works, and we're going to learn about an important concept called place value.
Okay, I'm not going to play that whole video. I'm going to kind of skip through just to see a little bit of how he's
Pick 32
going over it.
apples. Then there will be a 3 in the tens place and a 2 in the ones place to represent the 2 individual apples that are not in the groups of 10. In fact, using only our 10 digits and these 2 number places, we can count all the way from 0 up to 99. At 90.
Okay, so I like how the video is using visuals. Videos are always good. It's basically a second teacher, and that is always very helpful. I love that as an introduction. We get more into definitions and vocabulary being used. We have another video here. More visual representation, which is great. I love the place value chart that is here. I love how everything is explained on here as well. It's not too complicated, but it's also not too simple. Like, it's right at grade level for them to understand exactly, like, and read it on their own for them to understand. Okay, this is a quiz. Okay, more visuals. Let's see, let me go to preview. Okay, how many 10s are in 85? Okay, I like that you're giving them a place value chart for them to be able to put that 85 in to get their answer. Number 2, what is the standard form of 300s, 410s? Again, great, providing that place value chart. One that they can copy down themselves and place the numbers into the chart on their own and then match it with the answer choices. And then what is the value of the red? Again, being able to place those numbers into this place value chart that is given to answer the question. I like these questions. They are not too complicated. It is just a quiz, simple 3 questions that go over three different things that were talked about either in the module the vocabulary that you used, also in the videos that were uploaded on there as well. How do I exit preview mode? Alright, let's just hit back. Alright, so there was that ends the module. So this going into this next module will be like, okay, next week. And again, you start off with an introduction video, which is great. And I love that it's a second and third grade video because it's connecting to previous learning, and that is always beneficial in instruction.
Addition and subtraction, second and third grade. 6 plus 4 equals.
Okay, so this whole video is basically adding and subtracting flashcards. I like that it is a child's voice on the video. It makes it have that feel of peer learning, which is very beneficial in the learning process of the students. Let's go ahead and go into what is addition. Okay, we have another video here. Addition is a way of combining things and counting them together as one large group. That is a great definition of addition. It's straight to the point, and it's vocabulary being used that can be understood by the third graders. Let's see.
Hello, let's play addition. Are you ready to learn addition? Great. Well, what is 234 plus 120? Well, take the 4 fishes, and add, am I going to add any? Nope. Looks like 0. 4 plus 0 equals 4. 4 fishes. Great. Next, take the 3 and add the number below it. 3 fishes plus 2 fishes equals 5. 5 fishes. You did it. Good job. All right, next you go over and you take the 2 and add 1. 2 fish plus 1 fish equals 3. 3 fish. Your number is 354. Good job at addition.
Okay, so I like how this video, it was straight and to the point. They had visuals for each like place value, saying, okay, instead of just saying, what is this plus this, they use like the fish. Like, I have this many fish, I put this many fish with it, how many do I have? Again, a lot of the kids at this age are visual learners, and being able to see the math being put together visually helps in their learning. Let's see the addition of the math process. Okay, I like that we're giving the parts of what an addition problem has, the add-ins and the sum. That is very important. Again, that economy of language. Okay, the visual of using those vocabulary words, our add-ins and our sum. Showing that they can solve addition on their fingers, because honestly, some kids forget that their fingers are there. Okay, number line representation is also great because it pops up a lot on STAR tests. Number lines are heavily used in a lot of different math concepts, so for them to be able to visually see it on the number line as well, that's really good. More addition. Okay, let's take a look at this quiz. Again, it's 3 questions, short, simple, to the point. I like how you have an addition table, so very easy for them to just pop up and look like, okay, 5 plus 6, boom, right there, 11. It's very simple for them to kind of go up here and double check their answers. Again, very simple. Give them a problem, they solve it. I love how the first and the third question are very short and sweet, and then the second one is a little more elaborate. Like, they have to know how to line that up. They they have to know how to add that ones place and that tens place together. All right, let me go back. And let me go to next. Okay, so now it's going into subtraction. I love how you separated adding and subtracting. Instead of trying to combine everything into one lesson, it is very important that they focus. Okay, let's focus on addition, and then let's focus on subtraction. Another video here. I love how you have these little hyperlinks here for them to be able to click and to further learn. Okay, so here they have lots of other things that they can read. This not only can help the student, but it can also help the parents when they are trying to explain these different concepts to the students. I really like that. More visual representation. Oh, and I like that there's a song here at the bottom. They can sing a little song to help them to learn subtraction. There are a lot of different learning styles and each student is different, so this might benefit one person more than we could ever know. Okay, let's look at this quiz. I love how you have a subtraction chart. Again, just simple subtraction problems. Two numbers being subtracted, line them up, subtract. This is a very great quiz. Again, short, simple, and to the point. And it's easy for you to track, analyze the data of these quizzes to see where they are making their common errors or common mistakes. Looking through these modules, I, as a math teacher myself, I see how engaging these modules are and how the quizzes are being utilized to assess their learning. The one thing that I would change is maybe having you actually go in as the teacher and record your own videos of you teaching. The YouTube videos are great, but for them to know your teaching style, you might have a different idea or a different way of doing adding and subtracting or place value that may be easier for the kids to understand, like a quick little shortcut or anything like that. But letting them get to know you and your teaching style as well can also help them learn. But that'll be the only thing that I would add to this.